Hey guys, so let's compare the Oukitel WP60 with the HMD Ivalo XE. Now the Ivalo XE is not available yet, but the device is expected to launch before the end of the year according to online details. And as for the Oukitel WP60, the device has just been officially launched, so I don't think it's available yet. Anyway, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So there you have it guys, the Oukitel WP60 versus the HMD Ivalo XE. Which of the two devices do you think is best in your opinion? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Personally, the Ivalo XE is a much more secure device. I don't know if it's going to be much more durable than the Oukitel WP60, but both devices support IP68 and IP69K. They are also military grade standard 810H certified, so they are both waterproof, dustproof, and can survive different harsh environmental conditions. But the Ivalo XE is a much more secure device with tons of security features. Anyway, feel free to share your thoughts guys, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.